So reminds me, once upon a time there was this entrepreneur, and as usual he was extremely busy, he had a lot of work. So after office he reached home, he had to do a lot of work. Again after office, he was planning to do a second shift, but in between he wanted to relax a little bit, and he was flipping pages of a magazine. Suddenly his 5-year-old son came to him and he said, "Father, I want to play with you." Not to a small kid, you can't make a logical excuse. So the entrepreneur had to say yes to the kid. But he had a very innovative idea. On the magazine, there was this map of the world, and he tore up the map into many pieces and gave it to the kid and said, "If you could join these pieces together, then I would play with you." And you know how kids are, they are completely empty. So the kid agreed and he said yes. And the father knew that the kid would take possibly couple of hours or days or weeks or months to figure out the geography of the world, and he began to relax and the kid went off. Then the entrepreneur was flipping pages of the magazine. In the middle he came across this story, and it talked about the old time Napoleonic wars. One of the army generals was retreating from the war front, from the enemy territory. It was a village. They were confined to a village and the enemy was all around the periphery of the village. So suddenly they heard some sounds and they wanted to hide from the enemy. So the general went to this guy and requested him to provide him shelter. So the owner of the house asked him to hide underneath the fur skin. Suddenly the enemy came in and they started searching for everybody, and with the bayonets, they were thrusting bayonets into the fur skin, and they were trying to locate this army general and his platoon, but they could not find anybody, so they went off. So after some time, the general uncovered the fur skin and came out. So the owner of the house looked at the general and said, "Thanks, you're saved now. How was this experience? How did you feel when they were thrusting the bayonets onto you?" So the general got up and he grabbed the owner and pulled him outside the house and asked his platoon to line up as a firing squad and pointing at the owner of the house. So the owner began to tremble as the firing squad were loading their guns. He was trembling, and then the general said, "Now you know how it feels when they attack you." So interestingly, this forum here that we are at, you don't have to ask intellectual questions because there are a lot of entrepreneurs here. They have already gone through the entrepreneurship journey, so if you ask them, they will give you real answers. How it feels to be an entrepreneur. Sometimes it's tricky, sometimes it's... So we'll figure out answers to those questions. Let me take you back to my main story about that entrepreneur and the kid. So within 5 minutes of clock time, the kid came back and he said, "Father, I'm done. I've joined the pieces together." So the entrepreneur said, "How could you do this? This is impossible." And he said, at the back of this map of this world was this picture of this man who is a famous entrepreneur. All I did was I put the entrepreneur together and the man came together. So maybe the whole day we will try to figure out how to put the entrepreneur together in us and see how our world comes together. So my name is Saifullah Khan. Pan IIM alumni meet. Were you aware of that there were 2 other IIM alumni meet this year? How many of you are aware of that? Which cities? Bangalore and Mumbai. Great. So this is the 3rd one in Gurgaon, Delhi region. And the objective today is conference is to bring IIM community together, enhancing bonding among management professionals by exchanging knowledge through panel discussions. There will be a lot of panel discussions here, bouncing ideas among peers during networking sessions. We will have grand networking sessions here. So getting best practices from industry experts during keynote addresses. So there are a couple of keynote addresses by leading experts here. Have you got the agenda on your table the entire day? So I'll not take you through specific details, but just want to share that today's conference with the sub-theme, key elements for sustainability through innovation and seamless execution, disruption in financial ecosystem, enabling business ecosystem for sustainable development, building sustainable business models, key financial elements, analytics, strategy to execution, get your startup up and running, and legal challenges to set up new businesses. These will be covered. And we will also highlight key business leaders from Greg's, Market Insight, Consultants, Square Yards, Anand and Anand, Market, People Magic and Innovation, Clip Financial, IFM Global, IIM Net and Market, Economics, Fidelity Worldwide Investment, Decision Stats, Tatva, Spa, Suvitama, Snapdeal, Digilands, 91, Springboard, Kathan and Company, and many other companies. So true market innovation is only derived from a deep understanding of your customers' ever evolving needs. The understanding provides insight into what is of value, to who and why. Armed with this customer and market insight, you can create and own a robust market-driven business plan. So similarly, every keynote session touches upon contemporary issues in the field of sustainability management. So, how many of you plan to stay here till lunchtime? Considering it's a Sunday. And how many of you are considering going after lunchtime? Okay, so there is a surprise element for you. I knew that it was a Sunday. So I invited one of my friends here. It just happened a day ago, and so there is some music performance coming up. And my intuitive feeling is this guy, you'll soon see him maybe in Bollywood because he deserves to be there. And the timing is exactly after lunch when some of you are planning to go to celebrate Sunday. So hopefully he will hold you back if you want to have fun on Sunday. This could be the right place. Beyond entrepreneurship and disruption, this lunch will be disrupted with this musical performance. So he will be here shortly. So I would urge you to reconsider that option, staying here even beyond lunch, because there's a lot of fun element that will happen. Are you with me, ladies and gentlemen?